Hey, what's up? So I got a great video for you and I want you to watch this video because I'm going to show you how to make $80 a day and make money online for free with no website. So you don't need a website for this. I'm going to show you how to put some more money into your pocket. So make sure you keep watching this video. And if this is your first time here, I want you to comment down below letting me know this is your first time. If you've consistently watching my videos over and over again, welcome back. It's always good to have you here. So for the new people, if you don't know by now, make sure you smash that bell notification and make sure you subscribe to this channel because I talk about how to make money online and multiple ways of how to get some more money into your pocket. So I'm really excited for this video and I can't wait to dive into it. So as I said, how to make $80 a day and make money online for free with no website. Now, in this video, what I'm going to be talking about, I'm going to show you where to find the product. So where to find the product and how to promote it, because I'm going to find one that is going to be less competition. And the reason why you want to find a product that is less competition, there's not too many people fighting over the product, the cost for, if you're supposed to do advertising, which we're not, we're going to be doing free traffic in this method. Everything that I'm going to show you is for free, so you don't have to worry about that. So alternative of using a domain name, so you don't have to purchase a domain name. And I'm going to share with you how you can also get a free landing page build. If you don't know what a landing page is, that's where you collect the email and you redirect them from there to the actual product that you're going to be promoting. So this is going to be a jam-packed video. Stay to the end because I'm going to share with you some traffic source that you can get started right away. You could build up and you can get things rolling. Now, and what I'm going to share with you is going to be long-term as well. So what we're going to be doing is heading over to ClickBank. If you don't have a ClickBank account, I recommend you go sign up for one. And ClickBank is a great place that you can find multiple products, and when you can find multiple products, you can promote it and you can make money. Now, I'm going to be going into the sporting industry, and the reason for that is because it's sporting time now. There's so many people are talking about sports. There's soccer going on. I call it football because I'm originally from Jamaica, but most people call it soccer. There is basketball that's going on right now. There's outdoor sports, and people are just going on the outdoors and then just enjoying it right now. So that's the reason why the sporting industry is a great place for you to start. Now, I've done some research and I see where it says the stress-free golf swing. So this is like an extremely high converting golf product. It's really converting. It has a 21 gravity score, and 21 gravity score is pretty good. That's decent. You're looking at an average rebill. So that's 51% of people who purchase, they want to rebill. So out of 100 people, there's 50 of these people that say, okay, I'll take for the rebill. So that's good, because most times you find products on ClickBank with the average rebill is very, very low. People just buy the product once and then that's it. And the average rebill total is at $200. So this is pretty high. You can make some good money. They also have some upsell as well. And this is also a vendor spotlight. So there it is right there, recurring billing. So that's what you want. You want to promote something that has recurring billing. So if you want to look at their affiliate page, you can click on it. You can join their affiliate program. You can earn 75% on each sale. You can click on here and you could just sign up. But if you're with ClickBank already, you don't have to worry about that type of stuff. However, if you want to use some of your information, if you want to get some golfing stuff from their platform, then yes, that's going to be a great thing to do, is for you to sign up for that and make sure you don't use the same password that you use for your ClickBank account. So that's one of the things that they're mentioning. So let me head back all over to the sport. So that's what we're going to be going after. We're going to go with the stress free golf swing. And if you want to promote this, you just click on promote, and you make one sale and you get $40. Two sales, that's going to be $80 in a day. So you can copy this link. We could go take a look at it, see what it looks like. Pull it up and see what it looks like. So here it is. It's very clean. I like it. It looks really good because it's a consistent golf, low scores for once per week, and people could sign up. You know, I don't want to improve my ball striking skills. Yes, I want to improve it. Especially during this time, people always consistently want to learn how they can improve. And yes, if you're in Florida, if you're in California, if you're down south right now, even up here in the north, people are working on their golfing skills at the moment. So you can make some money just by doing this. And if you look at it all the way, you could see that there's, pitching consistent tips. So it's kind of more of like a magazine slash type thing where once people could sign up, they could start, they could get, this is what they're going to be getting. So they get a free report. They get 7 shortcuts to instantly improve their ball swing. So they can put all the information here. Once they do that, then the stress-free golf swing is what people is going to be signing up for. And you can make money every time somebody sign up. You make $40, not when they sign up for the free report, but anytime they pay for it. And once you do that, and what we're going to do, we're going to head on over to Facebook. So this is where we're going to be finding the traffic. Now, you could go here and you could say golf, type in golfing. Once you type in golf, you're going to see tons of different resources in different groups. So these are groups: golf swap and sell, golf nothing, golf swings. These are golf equipment, new and used in the UK, club junkie marketplace, golf club traders. So people are consistently doing that. So here, you could join these groups, but you don't want to go in here and you want to spam. Got some golf equipment that you want to sell? Looking to snap up a bargain in secondhand? This is a swap and sell stuff. Then there you go. This is perfect. So take clear photos of everything. You could join it. We recommend using PayPal goods and service to make payment. So they're doing that. No price bashing will be allowed. So this is a great place. Over 32,000 people in this group. I can tell you right now, if you join this group and immediately you can go in here, look at this. There's over 197,000 people that post today. This group was created a year ago. So it was created a year ago. And as you can see, it's growing. 3,000 people joined in the last 30 days. So these are new people coming in. And once you go inside these groups, what you could do, you can make really cool posts because it's golf, swap, and sell. They're allowing you to put affiliate links and all that stuff. You can sell items in here. So you ain't got to worry about you being kicked out and all that stuff. So you could post in here at least once a day. Don't post as many times as possible because when you post too much time, then it's going to seem like you're spamming, and then they're going to reach out to you and say, hey, what's going on here? And they will probably kick you out if you try to spam. So this will be good, right? Now for the domain name, you want to copy your short link. You want to go to bit.ly.com. And once you go to bit.ly.com, when you head on over to bit.ly, you could just create a free account, place your unique link here, and then you could do that. Now you could take this link, you could go advertise it, but if you want to collect emails, what I highly recommend, you can head on over to Aweber, and Aweber has a great funnel builder. So you can go over to Aweber, you could sign up for free. I'm going to leave a link down below with my Aweber if you want to sign up. Sign up through me. Feel free to do that. It is absolutely free. If If you just want to go to aweber.com, you could do that as well. So you could create, they got some really self-explanatory um, videos and tutorials that you can use. So you could get started, get rolling and all that. So you can go and start posting your link in the group, join some more groups. You can create your own group. Create your own group, get more people to join, and then you can have them to sign up. So you can run your own group and you can sell anything that you want in that group. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, as you can see, I'm shooting this video super late because I've been moving and it's been crazy. So I appreciate you. Have a fantastic day. One love and be blessed.